Clap of the rotor blades of the Indian Air Force helicopters flying the Dwaj formation, which also heralds the beginning of today's parade. The formation leader is trooping the pride of the Marines in our national flag. We also witness the wave of their staff and carpet spreading the colors of unity and sovereignty.
The General Officer was commissioned in the 3rd Battalion, the Parachute Regiment on 16th December 1989. Served with his battalion in high altitude area at Dras under Operation Raksha. In counter-terrorism operations in Northeast under Operation Orchid. In the Salchin Glacier under Operation